Services, I start my days with a jog at Seymour-Lieberman Trail, embodying the energy and dedication that fuels our trusted HVAC company and Rice Military. On the job, my team and I master every aspect of a craft, offering Rice Military residents insights into their HVAC condensers, ensuring every system operates with precision. I believe in attention to detail. That's why at Kingo Services, we reveal the specs behind our OFA repairs, guaranteeing every Rice Military home enjoys top-tier service. Facing a rusted coil is a tough obstacle, much like a challenging trail, but I'm determined. We swap out those coils quickly, reinforcing the dependability of our HVAC repair in Rice Military. A new evaporator coil is as refreshing as a crisp morning run. It's about bringing that same freshness into your home. My team at Kingo Services ensures seamless HVAC installations. And finally, I take pride in showcasing a complete 8th unit replacement in the Rice Military community. It's more than a fix. It's a promise of cool, comfortable living. In Rice Military, my company doesn't just perform repairs. We set the pace for HVAC